English Azerbaijani travel phrase. Where is equals.
Haradadır.
Welcome to Synapse Lingo. Hey Explorer. This podcast is brought to you by Synapse Lingo. Visit www.synapse-lingo.com for more resources. Today you unlock the travel superpower, asking where is in Azerbaijani.
Haradadır.
Keep your eyebrows up, palms open, and your smile ready. Your inner compass is about to level up. Your goal today. By the end, you'll ask for directions confidently and understand the most common replies. Say.
Haradadır.
It breaks down as
Hara.
equals where plus
Dadır.
equals is at. Quick rhyme to lock it in.
Haradadır. Radarlıdır.
Your brain's radar beeps whenever you say it. Add the gesture. Raise eyebrows and open both palms while saying.
Haradadır.
Mini dialogue at the station. Act this out with me. You're in Baku, bag in hand, friendly grin on. You, excuse me.
Stansiya haradadır.
Local.
Buradadır, düz kabakta.
It is here, straight ahead. You, thanks, and.
Tuvalet haradadır.
Local.
Sol. Yakın.
Left, near. You, on the map, where is it?
Harita haradadır.
Local, it's to the.
Sağ.
After the cafe. And for practice you can also say.
Haradadır harita.
Pronunciation beat. Clap with me. Rhythm makes memory sticky. Ha ra da dur. Ta 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 ta.
Haradadır.
Now the full phrase.
Haradadır.
Imagine your inner GPS chirping happily each time. Plug and play drills. You repeat, IQ. Keep it brisk and smiling. Where is the station? You.
Stansiya haradadır.
Where is the bathroom? You.
Tuvalet haradadır.
Where is the map? You.
Harita haradadır.
If someone says.
Sağ.
Turn right, if.
Sol.
Turn left.
Yakın.
Means near.
Uzak.
Means far. Say the base formula out loud once more.
Haradadır.
Culture tip. Baku vibes. Stay polite and you'll get golden directions. Near the flame towers, tourists often ask guides.
Haradadır.
A quick pro tip. Don't confuse.
Harada.
Where, with.
Orada.
There. A friendly tone plus the open palms gesture gets you smiles, and the right turn at the right time. Quick quiz. Lightning round. Shout the answers. How do you ask, where is, in Azerbaijani? You.
Haradadır.
Translate. Where is the station? You.
Stansiya haradadır.
Which word means right?
Sol.
Or.
Sağ.
You.
Sağ.
True or false?
Haradadır.
Means who is. You. False. If a local says.
Uzak.
Is it near or far? You. Far. Street challenge. Ready for a playful mission? Ask 2 people for directions today.
Stansiya haradadır.
And.
Tuvalet haradadır.
Use the gesture, listen for.
Sol. Sağ. Yakın. Uzak.
And mark it on your.
Harita.
If you get a funny answer, smile and ask again.
Haradadır.
Thank you and wrap up. Nice work, your travel radar is online. Thanks for learning with Synapse Lingo. Keep practicing.
Haradadır.
With real places.
Stansiya. Tuvalet. Harita.
And trust your smile. For more lessons and resources, visit www.synapse-lingo.com. Safe travels and happy learning.